Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Superwrap Labs.
Episode 6.
Episode 6. Today we're talking about protection. So, you ever been to Rockfest? There's a lot of chips.
It takes science, a lot of American know-how, constant tinkering in the laboratories in Rockford.
Has you or a loved one ever been in a position where they needed to protect themselves? If they have, LiquidShield's here to help. Alright, so you guys know us for the sprayable vinyl wrap. Great way to customize wheels, accessories, anything on your car. However, we do have another product, and that is LiquidShield. So, what is LiquidShield? LiquidShield is perfect for protecting from salt, sand, calcium, road debris, UV rays, anything really that could harm your paint. LiquidShield is there to protect it.
Now, what's the difference between a Spray-PPF and a regular sheet PPF? First of all, our Spray-PPF is easier to apply for a do-it-yourself. It's going to be more forgiving, it's not going to create bubble, and of course, you're not going to need to go around your car with a blade. So we've tried both. I mean, you're going to see a video in the future where I'm being pretty sketchy with the install of a regular PPF. I'm doing something wrong, man. I'm about to throw this in the garbage and call it a day. And there's also the fact that we can apply it on wheels. So those are the main difference. Our product is sprayed, so it's not adhering to the surface with a glue. So once you remove it, it's going to be easier to perform the removal without a heat gun or solvents. Now, you're only going to need a mechanical force to remove any liquid shield that you have on your car from the surface. For this type of product, like I said, you're going to need a heat gun, solvent, or a blade to remove it. LiquidShield is popular for DIY or pros that want to apply a paint protection film easily, and for areas where a regular film is not really going to adapt well to curves and shapes, like wheels for example, or mirrors, or even the edge of certain hood where you really have some curves and shapes in it, where, you know, as a do-it-yourselfer, you're going to have a hard time being able to apply it in a clean way. So this is really the main difference between those two products. There's advantage to a regular PPF, and there are also advantage to our product.
So LiquidShield works great, notably on the front portion of a hood, on your wheels, again, because it's a lot easier than, say, doing it with the traditional paint protection film.
Good luck with a sheet.
Good luck with that. Great for grills, great for headlights too, actually. We have LiquidShield Headlight, which is an adapted product, given that headlight manufacturers don't always have the same type of plastics or even glass. There can be reactions with regular LiquidShield, and so we've created a softer version of our product, which is much more compatible with pretty much any headlight on the market. So again, anything that's painted on the vehicle that you want to protect, you can go ahead and LiquidShield it. There's no problem whatsoever.
Now, the reason why we recommend the use of LiquidShield during winter is not only is going to protect your car from any type of contaminant and debris that you're going to find on the road during winter, like calcium, sand, salt, that are going to either fade your paint or your wheels, or just create some rock chips. So if you're to use this product during winter, make sure to apply a little more, so 1 or 2 coats, to get sure you have enough thickness and that you're going to get through this harsh winter with your paint and wheels clean.
So applying LiquidShield is relatively straightforward. Basically mask off anything you don't want to be spraying. We've actually got, of course, tape and drape on the website that's very good for quickly masking off those areas. And lay down 10 coats. You're going to want them nice and thick, especially at the end to get a nice gloss. However, if you are prepping for winter or you have areas on the vehicle that are rock chip prone, so lower parts on the vehicle, up those coats, of course you're going to get more product, therefore more protection. So again, mask off the area, clean it, and spray those 10 coats. Very straightforward. Just like Superwrap, you don't have to sand down the surface beforehand. So you're left with, once you peel the product off, a completely intact and clean surface. All right, so you now have LiquidShield on your car. Sick, good job, you're protected. However, if it gets dirty, you're probably gonna wanna clean it, right?
Yep.
So there's specific ways to maintain your LiquidShield. There's
LiquidShield. Wow! We said Liquid Shield. Is it sleek? It's liquid.
It's
LiquidShield.
LiquidShield. So yeah, just like Superwrap, there's specific ways of maintaining the product so that it stays nice. And my good buddy here, Vince, is gonna tell you all about it.
Yeah, first of all, if you applied the product to any body panel, headlights, make sure you don't use soap that is really high in acid. Same thing if you applied it to your wheels. Don't use a wheel cleaner that is made to clean wheels that have been rusty for over a year. Use something a bit softer. Low acid or neutral is going to be your best friend in that type of situation. So remember, don't ever power wash this product on the edge when it's on your hood or any body panel or even your headlights, because it needs a mechanical force to peel it off. Once it's on the car and you're enjoying your car being protected, it's no time to peel it.
Exactly. And so if you want some more instructions, we've actually got an in-depth on maintaining Superwrap. And again, because they are relatively similar products, they are maintained the same way. So if you want some tips and tricks, check it out. Maybe up here, maybe up here. Cam?
Maybe there.
Maybe
I
there.
don't know yet.
All right, perfect.
I
So
heard everything's on sale for Black Friday too, man.
whoa.
It's Black Friday. The deal is here. Buy 2 of these, get 1 free. You heard me. Buy 2, get 1 free. Say what? Buy 2, get 1 free. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself.
All right, so again, sprayable paint protection film versus regular paint protection film. Virtually the same protection characteristics, so you'll get the same protection out of the two. This is good for a 12-inch section on almost any hood. It's not that wide, and we got this for 25 bucks. This kit, so the 3 cans and the prep spray, which is very important even when doing regular laid paint protection film, you really want to make sure that the surface is clean. So we offer it in our kit as well. This entire kit, $25 as well. So same price, same protection. However, this offers much easier application.
Much more
Flexibility in terms of laying it down. I mean, again, we are by no stretch of the imagination professionals when it comes to wrap or paint protection film. However, it was impossible to lay down one of these films on a hood. God forbid we're trying to do a shark fin antenna or a bumper. That would be impossible.
Or
And
mirrors.
So, LiquidShield, you can pretty much protect anything on your car with no problems in terms of application. So much easier, same price, same protection. For me, it's a no-brainer. All right, so there you have it, guys. This is the best way to protect your paint for this winter. So jump online, grab them while they're hot. As Cam told you earlier, Black Friday is upon us, so there's no better time to get your hands on some LiquidShield. And again, if you like these videos, leave us a comment, subscribe, like the video. We appreciate you guys, and we are always looking for feedback. Let us know what you want to see next on the Superwrap Labs. And until then, stay safe, stay protected. Things are crazy out there. 2020 is weird. The last thing you need is some ratchets.